In modern time, keep happy and charming relationship, keep healthy your body, keep healthy your mental and emotional health to create happiness in your life, and for a student to achieve brilliance mark in academic education is going to be challenge. To sort out the issue, after study the thousands of people life, thousands of student life, derive the course, the way to build happy and charming relationship, the way to build robust health, the way to build mental and emotional health, the way to create happiness in life, and how to achieve good mark in academic education. All e-course you can purchase betterlifetoward.com. This e-course in Hindi PDF, English PDF and video version, you will get one free e-course book when you purchase this e-course. Just try it.